Welcome to number 46 of our 52 circles, and our prompt is quilt. So I've got my calico base layer, some polyester wadding, and then assorted scraps of denim, just little offcuts, different shades of blue, and we're going to use those, the right side and the reverse. So I start by piecing these together, just using a straight stitch on my machine. And for some of the strips, I'm putting them right sides together. But then on this piece, I really like the orange stitch along the edge, so I didn't want to lose that. So I've just put the other piece underneath and used my straight stitch to secure it in place. And I keep adding those strips until I've got a piece that's the right size for the base circle that I'm working from. Use the base as a template and just cut round that with some shears, and then carefully with the iron press those seams open. So now I'm ready to quilt. So I take my base layer, use that as a template on the wadding, and I'm going to cut my wadding just ever so slightly smaller than my base layer because I don't really want it kind of sticking out over the edge. And then, almost like you're making a sandwich, you put the base layer, the wadding, and then your top layer. And I'm using a contrasting colour thread in orange and just using straight stitch on my machine to secure those layers. Now, the closer together you put your lines of stitching, the more solid and compacted that fabric will become. And obviously, therefore, the further apart they are, the kind of puffier and softer they are. So you can almost engineer your patch if you were using it on an item of clothing, for example. So here's my finished sample, just using some different shades of denim and a scrappy bit of cotton. And I look forward to seeing yours. Have fun.